What is the Clubhouse app? That's what you want to know, right? Well, that's great news because this is what this video is about. In this video, I'm going to tell you what the Clubhouse app is. I'm going to tell you what's special about it. I'm going to share my screen as well so that you can see what it looks like. Now, before I do that, I just want to welcome you to my channel. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I'll bring you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make a success online. If you enjoy my content and you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. That way you won't miss a video every time I upload one. Lucky you. So let's go. So first, what is the Clubhouse app? Now, Clubhouse app is an audio-only app. It's a new app. At the time of me shooting this video, which is May 2021, it's still in its beta phase. It's only available to iPhone or iOS users, right? You need an iPhone or an iPad. And you can only join it if you have an invite. Now, what I do suggest is it's very easy to download. So even if you do not have an invite yet, or if you can't join it yet, I do suggest you download it and you reserve your username. Because you can reserve your username. Once you've got it, then you've got it. And that's quite important. That way you will have your name reserved, right? I am Sophie Sion on Clubhouse. I'm not Sophie Sion 797 or whatever, because there's thousands of other Sophie Sions who've already joined the app. So, make sure you download it, you reserve your name, even if you can't, if you don't have an invite yet. Now, what's quite unique about Clubhouse is it's audio only and it's not recorded, right? So everything is live. Things happen in the moment and then they disappear. And in that sense, it's unlike any other social media platform, right? The point of Clubhouse is really to build connections. There are many professionals, business owners, entrepreneurs on the platform. And the idea is really to share value, to help each other out, to build connections so that we can help each other grow. It's pretty amazing because it gives you the chance to be in the same room as some really big names in your industry. Right? So for me, for instance, I'm working online in affiliate marketing, right? And I'm creating content on YouTube. I've been in the same rooms as people who have massive YouTube channels, a huge amount of experience, and who have shared for free with me and other people their knowledge, right? There are other people who are big names in affiliate marketing, for instance, who really know the tips, the tricks, the secrets of the trade, and who share them for free. I've been in these rooms with them and it's pretty powerful. Right? So it's a great platform to be in if you want to learn and if you want to share what you know with people who need it, basically. Then, you are going to grow influence. These people are then going to reach out to you on your other social media platforms, and it's going to help everybody, right? It's going to help you and it's going to help them, which is really great. Now I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you what the app looks like on the inside. Let's go. Okay, so once you've downloaded the app, it looks something like this. At least at the time of recording the video, it looks like this, but they change the picture, the image very regularly, right? So don't worry if it looks a little bit different. But anyway, then, tap the little icon and open the app. So here, what you have is the upcoming rooms that Clubhouse thinks that you are interested in. Okay, these are all clubs. These little houses are clubs, basically. These are all clubs that, of course, I am a member of or that I'm following. And this is called the hallway, right? So basically, as you scroll down, you see some rooms that are in progress right now.
So Clubhouse is going to suggest content based on the clubs that you are following, the clubs that you in, that you're a member of, the rooms that you join and you talk to, you talk in, right? And also on the interests that you've listed, and also depending on the people that you're following, right? So sometimes it doesn't get it right, but you know, generally it's fairly accurate. Then, you know, when you tap, this is your profile. You basically have a profile just like in any app, right? Like on Facebook, on any platform, on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, wherever. You always have a bio, right? That then you know, you can fill it in with what you do, how you can help people. You can change this bio anytime you like, okay? Just by basically, if you tap on the bio, then you can edit it, okay? There you know, here you have the number of people who follow you, the number of people you are following, and right at the bottom of this bio you can link down here. These are links to Instagram and Twitter. You can link your Clubhouse account to these, and people then can reach you on these social media platforms. Down here you see the person who invited you, okay? So Jonathan invited me, I invited some other people, but you know, that means that, you know, be careful of who you invite, right? Because if they then are not very good on the platform, then you know, you want to invite people who are going to be reliable and add value to the platform, not just anyone, right? Then right at the bottom here, you have the clubs that you belong to, including your own clubs, right? These are my own clubs. Anyway, then I will show you as well. Up here you have this little envelope. These are the invites that you can give away. So you have a really limited amount of invites, right, that you can give away. The more active you are, the more invites you will get. But when you give away an invite, that's it. It's lost. So make sure you are careful who you give an invite to, because if they then don't join, then you've just lost that invite, and that's kind of a real shame. Up here you have your calendar, which are the events, again, that Clubhouse thinks you are going to be interested in, which really it gets it wrong sometimes. As you can see, I mean, I absolutely don't speak Chinese, for instance. I don't know why they're suggesting this, but you know, there you go. There are definitely some that are very relevant to me. You can also tap this where you have upcoming for you. If you select my events, then these are the events. If I had any rooms that I had scheduled, they would appear here, okay? This little, the little bell up here is just, you know, recently the notifications of things that people are follow, what they've done, right? What rooms they've scheduled, and have I been invited to join clubs, etc., etc. And then, as I said, of course, there's your profile. If you tap on this little dial up here, you can select the frequency of your notifications. If you want to pause your notifications, you can move that one. Sorry, I won't do that. Here, if you tap account, you can connect Instagram and Twitter. I have another video that shows you this, and you know, this is where you select your interests. You know, things that you're interested in. You can select that, and as I say, that will influence obviously what content Clubhouse shows to you, right? There are very regular updates to Clubhouse, so make sure you regularly go to your app store and update the app, okay? They are rolling out slowly monetization, so that when you talk in rooms, people can tip you, can give you a little bit of money. In my part of the world, it hasn't happened yet, but there is massive potential to make money on Clubhouse. There are many ways that you can monetize Clubhouse. I made another video showing you exactly how to do that. So if you're interested, check that out. But the last thing I wanted to show you is, of course, if you want to start a room, you basically tap here, start a room, and it's going to give you the option. You see, you can start a room that's open to everyone. You can start a room that's closed, so that would be just a conversation between you and another person or many other people. You can start a room in the clubs, right? The clubs that you have. Let's say I wanted to start a room in the club, YouTube Empire. This is what it would look like, right? So that's what it looks like. As you can see, there's this little green dial here, which means I'm a moderator, right? And then when people come in, you would see people appear in this room, right? And they would be kind of down here. So either they would be talking with me up on the stage, it's called the stage, or they would be down in the audience just listening. And you can let people raise their hand, right? They click this little hand there. Look what happens, okay? If they have something to say, or you can deactivate that. You can also just make it that you and a few other people talk and nobody can join and talk. But I think the whole idea of Clubhouse is, people join the stage and talk with you, really, right? That's what it looks like. So I'm deliberately not joining a room to show you what it looks like, right? Because I want to respect everybody's privacy, right? This is an app where nothing is recorded, so I don't feel I can really let you in on a room, but basically I hope this gives you a good idea of what it looks like.
I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it gave you a good idea of what the app looks like and that it gave you desire to join the platform. Go ahead, download the app, reserve that username, and go and hunt for an invite so that you can join the platform, right? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Consider subscribing to my channel if you enjoy my content. And if you want to find out more about how to make money with the Clubhouse app, then watch this video next. Bye for now.